Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do battles on TikTok Live. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on this website where I found a blog that perfectly explained everything about TikTok battles. What are TikTok battles? TikTok battles, also known as PKs or player knockouts, are a monetization feature within the TikTok platform's live streaming function. Creators can initiate battles where they go head to head in 5-minute streams, competing to earn the most virtual gifts from viewers. Gifts are purchased using coins that can be bought in app, with the most expensive option equivalent to over $1,000. The streamer who acquires the highest value of gifts by the end of the timed TikTok battle wins. How do battles work? Viewers on TikTok are able to send gifts in real time during live streams. These gifts are represented by visually engaging animated graphics that appear on the screen. Creators can see the gifts coming in and are incentivized to acknowledge supporting viewers. As the battles conclude, streamers are able to cash out the value of gifts received, which are converted into diamonds. TikTok takes a substantial commission from the monetary worth of gifts, estimated up to 70%. Incentivizing gifts to come out atop TikTok battles, creators frequently resort to imploring, hyping up, and begging viewers to donate. Controversies and criticism. Detractors label TikTok battles a shame for emphasizing begging over battling skills. Popularity and appeal. Despite criticism, battles satisfy viewers' desires for accessibility, community, and realness compared to highly polished Instagram. Other monetization methods. While battles are one way to generate income, other options exist. Creators can join the TikTok Creator Fund to earn and share ad revenue. To summarize, TikTok battles provide both opportunities and controversies around one method of monetizing on the platform, while fulfilling viewers' needs. They also face issues that TikTok must address to foster healthy streaming culture. Creators would benefit from using all the diverse, balanced income sources within TikTok's range of monetization features. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.